government. They are private industry
Yeah.
who
Yeah.
go in people's house and take whatever they want
Demand
from your
things.
house. That's right.
Okay.
And get it.
I have an answer for that.
Uh-huh.
The 16th, 17th, 18th, where every country had a kingdom, had a king, right? Everybody worked for the king. Everything
Exactly.
the king decided to do. So when this gap start growing, the haves and have-nots, it grows to an end that the have-nots, they have a revolution against the haves. Now, if this gap grows more and more in this country, guess what? The have-nots gonna have a revolution.
You're just gonna have the haves and the have-nots. Give me a second. If anybody wants to call in, you can call in on 312-754-4333. We'd like to hear your opinion also on this.
Absolutely.
Because I see y'all filling up in the audience out there. Hi, everybody. I really can't see your names, but hi, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Joe's gonna find out who all of you all are.
I
ahead,
don't
I'm
lie, I
sorry.
can't see it either, but
Okay.
thank you
I
so
wanted to say one
much.
thing.
But you can go
Okay.
ahead and share the broadcast if you're on with us. Thank you.
Go ahead.
Obama's the 44th president.
44th and 45th.
Okay,
That's right.
all right then. So we know there's nothing else behind that due to revelations. I like doing a lot of reading, right? See, but what I'm trying to say is, it says in Revelation that a small country is going to conquer this so-called rich.
This lion.
Yes. Okay. Well, but if you notice, the United States is not mentioned in the Bible at all. I mean,
Well,
Yeah.
actually, no, we are
Well, and
represented in the Bible, but you know something? I don't even want to go to biblical stuff because
Yeah,
that
that's
gets
a whole
too. I
nother
mean, that's
conversation.
Don't you think?
Right.
Well, for me to
But-
say this is because that's what I think. Donald Trump and this woman, they gonna mess. It ain't right.
Well,
Well,
no,
of course
it ain't
not.
right.
But you
I
gotta
agree
remember
with it. I
they
mean, I
are-
agree with Whoopi Goldberg. Whoopi Goldberg say he ain't nothing but a coward. You know, they're attacking the women
I
on
can
the
hear you saying that
view
now.
from Twitter.
What
You know, it's a cyber coward.
Wait,
He's a cyber coward.
He's a coward who is
And a
feeding
racist
off the
and
fears.
a
Hold on.
sexist.
He's feeding off of the fears of the American people.
You
That's
guys,
all
do
he's
you
doing.
really
Yeah.
think this
He's
is a
yeah,
presentation
I've
of
had
race?
friends
Come
tell
on,
me
Yes,
it's
that.
but we in America
You know
have
what?
never had a presidential race like this before, ever.
This is
Never.
a circus for 15-year-olds. This is not a serious presidential.
No,
Well, they
it's
took
a-
a poll of
I'm
some
really
children
tired of
who
taking
were like
messages for
between
you, so
9
pick up your phone.
and 13 years old,
Uh-huh.
and they showed